Hi guys, in this video we're going to learn how to form the plural of nouns in French. Le pluriel des noms. Nearly all French nouns have a different form for the singular and plural. In most cases, all you need to do to form the plural is add an S at the end of the noun. For example, une pomme, an apple, des pommes, some apples. Note that the S which forms the plural is nearly always silent. However, when a noun ends in S, X or Z in the singular, it remains the same in the plural. In other words, no S is added at the end of the noun. For example, un fils, a son, deux fils, two sons. When a noun ends in AL, you usually need to change AL to AUX in the plural. For example, un animal, an animal, des animaux, animals. When a noun ends in AU, EAU, and EU, you usually need to add an X at the end of the noun to make it plural. There are only 4 exceptions: landau, sarrau, pneu, and bleu, which need an S in the plural. So, for example, un gâteau, a cake, des gâteaux, cakes, un neveu, a nephew, des neveux, nephews. Notice that the X which forms the plural is silent. When a noun ends in OU, you usually need to add an S at the end of the noun to make it plural. The exceptions to the rule are bijou, caillou, chou, genou, hibou, joujou, pou, which end in an X in the plural. For example, un bisou, a kiss, des bisous, kisses, un caillou, a pebble, des cailloux, pebbles. Please note that some nouns are completely different in the singular and plural. For example, un œil, an eye, des yeux, eyes. To learn about the gender of nouns as well as how to make nouns feminine in French, click here. This is the end of the video. If you liked it, subscribe, like and share. And don't forget, you can also follow me on Twitter and Facebook. Thanks for watching. Bye.